10.1 rugged IP65 tablet with Android OS. Factory price and long-term support. MT676 to octa-core 2 GHz processor. Iris recognition for advanced security. Supports for LTE for high-speed connectivity. Android 10 GMS for a smooth experience. Fingerprint and Face ID for secure access. NFC and RFID for contactless interaction. IP65, waterproof, dustproof, crashproof. Custom software and hardware for tailored solutions. OTA updates for continuous improvement. Turnkey solution and good price. Contact us 3w.iqunl.com.cn